Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to hide the recording status in WhatsApp Web. Follow these simple steps to maintain your privacy while using WhatsApp Web. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type WA Web+ for WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Google Chrome link. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. When it opens, go to the Enhancement tab and in the Privacy section, check the box next to Hide Recording Status. By following these steps, you can now hide the recording status in WhatsApp Web. This feature ensures that others cannot see when you are recording voice messages or videos, allowing you to maintain your privacy. Protect your privacy and communicate comfortably without worrying about others knowing when you are recording messages or videos. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. Stay connected and make the most out of your WhatsApp Web experience.